Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? We are going to do, are you ready? Our favorite thing ever. Ta-da! Boxycharm unboxing. And this is the March premium box. We're gonna open this baby up and see if this worth the money. Let's open this up. If this is the first time you watch my video, hi, I'm Steve Jian. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel, 90% content are beauty and skincare, 10% lifestyle. I have been working in cosmetic industry in the USA for past 27 years. That's right, 27 years. And I work as a beauty consultant, business manager, country trainer, brand ambassador. I host many master classes to help women to achieve the skin that they always want. Also, I was appear on QVC for a couple times for the brand I was working for last 17 years, SK2. About 2 years ago, I left the company I work for 17 years, SK2, and started my own company called Yibu Beauty. So definitely check out my brand. If you like what you hear so far, subscribe my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. I do beauty video every single day. Okay, so let's open this March Boxycharm premium box. So a little bit about Boxycharm if you're not familiar. By the way, I pay for this. They did not sponsor this, okay? I pay for it. So this Boxycharm premium is $39.99. You will get 6 items every single month, and the value is about $215. They also have a Boxycharm basic box, it's a little bit cheaper, and there's a Luxe box, happen every quarterly. Sneak peek. I'm gonna open this later tomorrow. So tomorrow you're gonna check out this video. So I think it's pretty good. Let me just open this out right now. When you open the Boxycharm, it's pretty standard. If it's blue, you know it's a premium box, and all the items sitting right here. They always give you a card instruction. They always give you the content description so you know what's in there. And that's, oh wow, this box is nice. And they are all full-size items. Oh my god, did I see Charlotte Tilbury? Oh, can't open all this. So I'm going to open this right now, okay? I'm so excited. So I need my glasses. And this is what I'm doing right now. Today's video is really just a first impression of what's in there. We touch and feel a little bit, but I'm not necessarily putting it on my face. And in the future video, I will use the product I receive and tell you what I like, what I don't like about. So definitely follow me. And also check out my Instagram, it's Jin All-in-One. I post on Instagram every day as well as too. Okay, so let's first product is Aromatherapy Associate De-Stress Muscle Gel. Oh, shut up! I need this. I'm always hurting. This is a $40 price. I look 48 years old, but my body is like 80 years old. I'm always hurting all the time. So I'm gonna put this on my neck right now. It comes out kind of like a opaque cream colors. Let me smell this. Oh, it's a super minty. I'm gonna put this on my neck right now. It has a very strong rosemary scent. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on right now, and then as I film the video, I'm gonna tell you how this feels on my skin. Okay, I need to remember not touch my face because stuff like this, if you touch your face, you might burn your face. It's not oily, it's not greasy. It smells so, wow, it smells so good. Normally those muscle release gel, they all smell very minty, like a Bengay. I mean, I like the way it smells, but also remind me like a really old people when I have this on. This is, oh my god, I love this smell. Oh wow, okay, I'm gonna put this on my arm here now. I'm always sorting right here. Okay, I am just, sorry, I'm very excited about this. Oh, I feel a little warming right now. Okay, and let's see how this is gonna work. Very good. Oh guys, you don't understand. I hope this works. So excited. Okay, the next product, let's see, what is this? This is by Summit Institute. It is the exfoliating glycolic acid pack. It's a $65. Wow, this is expensive. The package is very nice. There are 50 packs in here. Interesting, they're using color as instruction, like, you know, if you see purple, it's a exfoliating pad. If you see green, it's a serum. I mean, they're using color coded, but I don't know how the color relate to the product. I need to study a little bit more. Like I said, today just really first impression how I like the product. So this is hold on. Like both sides are the same texture. A lot of time when you have this type of exfoliating pad, they have a two texture, and then so it can be exfoliating better. First thing I'm gonna tell you, it's a very tiny pad. I think they can be a little bit bigger because it's just small and it's very hard to hold when it's so small like that, and it's very thin. So we'll see how this is gonna be working on my skin. There's really no smell. Wait, I don't think there's smell in there. Okay, I can't wait to try this baby here. Okay, there's a couple more items here I'm very excited to see. So, this is by Grace and Stella. Everything is better in pink. Collagen boosting eye mask. So far, I'm loving the product because I definitely use muscle gel. And exfoliating pad, I will use this even though I think the pad's a little bit too thin, too small. But I will use this. Oh my god, this is like, how many packs in here? 12 pair of the eye mask. Oh, it's kind of like the jelly tapped eye mask. One thing about this kind of eye mask I don't like is because they are gelatin. They actually move a lot when you put this on the skin, so you really shouldn't be talking and moving too much. I like more like a sheet mask around the eye. They stay longer, but I'll give it just a try. I'll probably try it tonight. Okay, there's 3 more items right there. I'm saving the best. I'm looking at right now. I think that's the best item right there. So this is by hope I pronounced Saya Beauty. It is the Vitamin C Gloss Glow Primer, $32. Vitamin C primer and providing glowing effect. Comes out like this. So I'm just try it right now. So right now it's kind of like a pearl-ish lotions. And oh good, it doesn't have a glitter. I thought it was gonna be glitter in there. So you can actually see it has a little glow immediately. There's no smell in there. It goes on very velvety texture. Definitely if you're oily you may not like it because it gives it a slippery feel too. And glowing and oily, it's like a borderline, you know. So if you're oily, you really want to stay away from product like this. But if you have a dry skin, this will be good for you. So definitely will give it a try since I like glow looking skins. Alright, there's 2 more items right there. Are you guys excited about this box? If you also have the same box, let me know. I would love to hear your thoughts. What you think about the March box, how you like it. So this is by Ather Beauty Big Band Mascara. It provides black diamond infused mascara. What do you mean by black diamond? I don't understand. And this is $28. It feels very light and kind of, I don't know, it doesn't seem very good. It's a very weird, interesting design. So the handle is white and the brush is black. I mean, obviously black mascara. Brushes like this, it will provide thickening. So, okay, I'll give it a try later on. Okay, so this is the one I'm very interested in. By Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation, $44. And this color is a warm, 5.5 warm. I never really used Charlotte Tilbury stuff, so I'm very excited to try this. Alright, the Charlotte Tilbury, we're going to try a little bit on my hand, just a little bit. Okay, let's see how this is going to look on my skin. It goes on very yellow. It kind of blends into my skin pretty nice though. So I definitely will put this on my face to do a full tutorial, let you know how I like it. So overall, I'm telling you, I would definitely use the eye mask. I definitely use the exfoliating pad, and definitely the Charlotte Tilbury. This is, how much is this again? $44. And I mean, I also will probably use the primer too. Mascara, I don't really care for this. The muscle release gel, I will definitely use. So I've been filming this for about 10 minutes now. I don't feel anything on my neck, but is this help release the tension yet? Not yet, but I'll definitely keep you updated for this one. So definitely this box is amazing. I'm really happy. I can't wait to open, oh my gosh, the Luxe box. It feels pretty heavy, so you have to wait for tomorrow. Watch this video. Alright, thank you so much for watching my video today. I would really appreciate it. You give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my social media. And of course, check out Yibu Beauty. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Hi, I'm Steve Jan, founder of Yibu Beauty, and these are my sister. We've been together through thick and thin. Nothing comes between us in our family. Just like our bond, the two new releases of the Mooncast collections, our Hero Serum and Hero Moisturizer, are the super duo. Nothing will come between your skin and the Yibu superpowers.